Nandito yung alien tsaka Linlang.
Hello.
Sa pambihirang pagkakataon nagkita ang kapamilya aktor na si Paulo Avellino at kapuso aktres na si Marian Rivera sa isang event ng mga artista kung saan naroon din ang kapamilya aktor na si Piolo Pascual. Narito ating panuurin ang iilang mga kaganapan sa kanilang pagkikita.
Hindi. Nawala yung ano.
Ayan.
Ano ba?
Kita po.
Isa-isayin ko na lang, mga nakikita ko. Wala ko naman kailan.
Live po yan. Live.
Yeah.
Hello.
Pag-plastic mo na. Hindi ko kita.
Wala sa kanila yan. Invite our new members to please stand and raise your right hand if you want to be a member. Kung hindi nyo mamarapatin. Nandito rin po siya on the screen. You may also repeat after me. Sa mga new members po, please raise your right hand. So these are the 10 commandments of Actor. Thou art yourself. Please repeat after me. Thou art yourself. Exercise your rights.
Exercise your rights.
Vote and be heard on matters of importance.
Vote and be heard on matters of importance.
To the organization.
To the organization.
Every voice counts.
Every voice counts.
We stand for democratic processes.
We stand for democratic processes.
Thou shalt not use the name Actor to pursue your selfish and vested interests.
Thou shalt not use the name Actor to pursue your selfish and vested interests.
Thou shalt not misinterpret. Remember to keep schedules and deadlines.
Remember to keep schedules and deadlines
And attend to your organizational commitments dutifully.
and to attend to your organization commitments.
Be a team player.
Be a team player.
Honor other members regardless of their age, faith, gender, preference, and political beliefs and affiliation.
Honor other members regardless of their age, faith, gender, preference, and political beliefs and affiliation.
Let us celebrate each other's uniqueness.
Let us celebrate each other's uniqueness.
Thou shalt not kill ideas and enthusiasm,
Thou shalt not kill ideas and enthusiasm,
and instead encourage a healthy exchange of creativity. Create a nurturing community. We champion a community of empowered actors,
champion a community empowered actors,
governed by professionalism,
governed by professionalism,
guided by humanitarian values,
guided by humanitarian
and
values,
in solidarity with other organizations within and outside the creative industry. With our stories,
our stories,
we act to transform ourselves and our country.
we have to transform ourselves in our country.
So help me God.
So,
Welcome, new members, and congratulations.
thank you, Chairman, and congratulations to all Actor PH new members. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Palakpakan nyo ang inyong mga sarili for that matter. Welcome. Masaya ito. Again, sabi ko nga kanina, you are in good company. Grabe, ang saya. Yung mga kabataan, pwede nyo akong lapitan kung kailangan nyo ng tulong, ha? Lalo yung mga kalalakihan na nakakailangan ng tips. Marami ako may tuturo. After all, writer, director din po ako.
Direct, live ka!
Nakakalimutan ko live ako. O sige, nako, eto na. Ayan naman, nagpipictorial sila. At habang yung iba naman, kita-kita kumukuha ng Atoy Pila sa Manila Craft. O, eto na muna, importante ito, ha? Habang nagchichikahan ng Victoria, tatawagin na po natin ngayon. officiate the election of our new Board of Trustees from IGA, Direk Paolo Villaluna, and of course from Actor PH, Direk Marlon
Thank you.
Rivera. Palakpakan naman po natin sila.
Hello. Sabihin ko sana, nalin lang ba kayo? Kasi nandito yung alien tsaka lin lang. Hello.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. I would like to acknowledge first the president
Gab.
of all the members here. I am Martin Rivera. I am part of the Actor Management Committee. So we will go through the election of the board. This is a very simple election. Kasama namin ang Intergroup Alliance. This is Paolo Villaluna. Yes. In our first election, we always had the interview to help us out. Like the Actor, interview was established during the pandemic.
Talaga live.
Safety nets, protocols, and we represented yung So, simple lang ito. And para magpag-inuman tayo, I would like to acknowledge first.
Welcome to Actor.
So, this is the...
Guys, mag-hi kayo dito. Live to. Yay. Ha?
We always want a...
Na habang nagla-live ako.
Body to be the observer for the election. So, di ba kasi pinapakain
Balikan kita.
Next slide. So this is the Actor BOD elections for 2024. This is the board of directors. Next slide, please.
Gabi, tagal lang
So,
kita.
ito na kasi yung
Hi.
steps na to.
Sige, balikan ko kayo.
What are the open positions?
Oh,
Eligible to vote.
naka-live kayo. Hi!
So, just to be
Hi.
clear, yung binasa po na Google Drive ni Miss Isa Calzado kanina, hindi po kasalanan. Iba po yun. Iba po yung sinabasa niya kanina.
Kasi kinikita po si Grace
At
eh.
this time, this is what qualifies you as
Sa balota na po siya. Balota.
And then, of
Lapit na.
course, the process is very simple. We do it with the Google Drive.
Uy!
And then,
Ano na sinasabi mo dyan?
okay, next slide. So ito po yung outgoing natin na board members. So we're looking for 7 new board members. The board members, as a sponsor in Actor, what happens is we elect
Ala
them,
siya,
and
maayos
they
ka.
decide who the-
Live to guys. Mag-hi kayo.
And they explore the management committee. So binibigay namin yung pagkakataon na yun sa kanila. And of course, we always had
Arte ha. Di bagay.
an advisory board also for Actor, no? We also have advisory boards. Ito yung mga nagtatrabaho, ito yung mga nag-set up. But yung wisdom ay kinuhugot namin sa aming advisory board, no? So, ito yung outgoing. And then, next slide, please.
Ayan guys.
Of course,
Thank you
kami
for
yung,
watching.
management-
Live to.
We will not elect these people, we will just elect the 7 board members.
Diba? Thank you for
Next, please. So, ganito lang ang proseso ng Actor.
Hi, Mariel!
In Actor, we believe that every member has the right to be a vote.
Salita ay isa sa mga matatawag nating sariling atin. Mula sa angka ng mga artista, unang sumabak sa mundo ng pinilakang tabing, ang ating bisita ngayong araw sa murang edad na 14 years old. Sa kanyang mahabang karera bilang aktor, bilang Prince of Action ng Philippine cinema. Sa kanyang pagtungtong sa mundo ng politika,